This is Aaron from SINOMADA China Limited. We have worked with the Chinese top brands for more than 40 years. Today I'm in the ZOOMLION factory. I just would like to introduce the ZOOMLION ZE60E Crawler Excavator to you a little bit. Firstly, let's see the whole excavator. The operating weight of this model is about 6,000 kilograms. The standard capacity of this bucket is about 0.23 cubic meters. You can change the bucket into other sizes and all other accessories. Now, next, let's see the engine. Yanmar engine is our standard engine of this model. And if you want to change other brands of the engine, you can also contract us to provide. It is Euro 3 emission standard. And if your country have other special requirements, you can also contract us. We can recommend the appropriate models to you. Last, let's see the whole structure. It has stack and the top brand control system. If you want to see more details of this model, you can also contract me. Or if you want to see other brand or other model of the machine, you can also leave a message to me. So that's all my blog. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.